Alright, this Lombard Lightning is what I'm working on next. I've already done a lot to it. It was in really good condition at the scrapyard. Why somebody would want to throw this very rare saw away, I have no idea. Looks like it has the original bar. I'm going to keep the bar, but I got a new chain for it. I use the Archer chains. They're not safety, and they seem to last a little bit longer. Super lightning, anti-vibe. Very beautiful looking saw. Everything's there. Whoopsie. Oh, that's part of the carburetor I'm rebuilding. I need to make sure. It ran. Had a little bit of problems with the spark. But with these old ones, you know, with the newer ones, I can just turn them and get a spark. Actually had to get the recoil on there. Had to redo that. And get some some revolutions going on that before I saw a spark. But it runs. The carburetor just was not. It's an old Tillotson. It's hard to get to. They put all kinds of, made that not easy to just take out and stuff like that. So, pretty saw. I tried to clean it as little as possible so that I wouldn't blow off any of as much as it got great compression in it. Oil's really good. I'll show a video when it when I get it running.